look at this situation, and please mark these two upcoming questions. Okay, because if your luck is too good, no, you will encounter these questions someday. Okay, so look at the approach. So the idea is how we will solve this question. So let's just for time being apply this r. Okay, so first value of r is even. Okay, so it will become 100 c 10, and then 11 100 c 11, then plus 100 c 12 minus 100 c 13. This thing will keep on going, okay, till the time you will have 50. So it is 100 c 50. If I'll tell you, like to solve this question, you cannot solve this one because there is a pattern. Yes, there is a pattern, but you cannot apply that logic. Look at this. Upper subscript is same, lower subscript is increased by 1, but in between them you have a sign negative. Okay, these kind of question we never solved. Correct na? So how we will solve this question? So what I want you to do is just write down this function in such a way so that you can initiate the chain reaction. Okay, chain reaction means you have to find out some idea to which you can write something in plus, something in minus, and then you can start neutralizing things. Okay, so look at this, how we will approach this question. Do you remember that we have one result where it says NCR plus NCR plus 1 gives us what? N plus 1 CR plus 1. We will apply this same logic over here. So the idea is R starts from 10 to 50. Now minus 1 power R. Now look at this, how we will write 100 CR. Okay, so like hopefully it has been increased by 1, so it would be 99 CR plus 99 CR minus 1. Okay, I'm saying something and I'm writing different thing. Now look at this part. So if you will write this thing, you know that the upper subscript will be increased by 1, that will become 100, and lower subscript will be the greatest one. Correct? Now apply your limit and look at this, what will happen. So your first entity will become, because R is 10, so you will have 99 C10. Okay, and then we will be having plus 99 C9. Okay, now second value will become what? 11, power is 11, so 11 is negative, so minus 99 C 11 minus 99 C 10. Correct? Now look at the next value will be 12, so minus 1 power 12 will become positive, so 99 C 12 plus 99 C 11. Correct? Plus dot dot dot, it will keep on going, and then we will be writing 50. So 50 is plus, so if 50 is plus, look at this, we will have 99 C 50 plus 99 C 49. Correct? We will have this expansion. Now be super slow. Look at this. This was your first term. Okay. So look at your first element. So first element of first term is neutralizing second element of second term. Okay. So this thing will neutralize this. First element of this term will be neutralizing next term's second element, and this, and later it will get neutralized. Okay, so we will be having what? 99 C9 plus 99 C50. So this is your answer. Okay, I hope you got the approach, how you have initiated the chain reaction. Okay, mark star on this question. Okay, now look at this question. So earlier it was having what? Earlier it was having minus 1 power r, then on numerator only it is 100 cr. Okay, now in this question everything was same, but 100 cr is written on the denominator. Okay, so here also we will think about initiating the chain reaction. So do we have any result that break down NCr into something minus something? Yes, we have. Okay, I will not tell you the proof, but if you want you can prove LHS and RHS. Okay, so n plus 1 by n plus 2, and then we have 1 by n plus 1 Cr plus 1 by n plus 1 Cr plus 1. Okay, you have to memorize this result. Okay, because this result is will be applied over here, then only you can get the result. Okay, now look at this thing. So summation r starts from 10 to 50, and then we have, look at this n plus 1 by n plus 2 will be common now because the variable is r. So everything except r will become constant, and constant you can take outside. Correct? Now minus 1 power r, and then we have this thing 1 by, so it is 100. So can I write 101 C r plus 1 by 101 C r plus 1. Okay, now look at this. Now start substituting the value. So we will get n plus 1, n plus 2. Okay, now first value of r is 10, which is a even number, so it will become positive. So it is 1 by 100 C 10 plus 1 by, not 100, it is 101. Okay, 101 C 11. Now next element will be what? 11. So minus 1 power 11 is a negative number. So minus of 1 by 101 C 11 minus of 1 by 101 C 12. Correct? Now next element, it will be 12. So again minus 1 power 12 is what? Even number. So it is positive 1 by 101 C 12 plus 1 by 101 C 13. This thing will keep on going, and at the end we will have what? We will have 50. So it will become positive only. So positive of 1 by 101 C 50 plus 1 by 101 C 51. Okay, so this is our expansion. Now look at this. This is your first term. Okay, so first look at this part. Can I say that second element of first term is eliminating first term of second term, first element of second term? Now this thing will eliminate this thing will eliminate this, and this thing will be eliminated by this. So we will be left with whom? N plus 1 by n plus 2 into 1 by 101 C10 plus 1 by 101 C51. Okay, I hope you got the approach. Okay, so it is suggested that mark star on these two questions and try to memorize this result. Okay,